Hi guys, this is Ramistri. Welcome back to our channel Ram Stocks 12. As part of the BAY series, let's get into the story number 36. Frauds using malicious application. One day Raju received a message seeking his willingness to do freelance work. As Raju was unemployed, he immediately dialed the number mentioned in the SMS. Hi, I received an SMS regarding freelance work. What is the work profile? This is a very easy. Even my kid can do it. Okay, I'm interested. After downloading the application, Raju started working. The work seemed genuine. However, he did not know that the fraudster was observing all his activities on his laptop. Over time, the fraudster was able to get all the secure credentials from Raju's device through his application. Unaware of the malfight infection, Raju continues to use the application. The fraudster was able to get the OTP sent on Raju's email since the fraudster got the access to his email. After a few days, Raju received SMS alerts stating rupees 50,000 was debited from his account. Raju had no clue how his account was compromised or money was debited. After investigation, it was found that his device contained a malicious application, observing all his activities and passwords were being skimmed. So, what are the rules here? Verify the authenticity of the offer on the official website of the concerned entity offering jobs. Report the incident to the nearest cybercrime police station and National Cybercrime Reporting Portal at https://cybercrime.gov.in. And what are the don'ts here? Don't download any application through links sent via SMS, email, or instant messaging applications, especially from strangers, without verifying its authenticity. Know your banker. Happy banking! If you like this video, please like it and share to your near and dear ones. And please